Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can create a quiz in Smartsheet. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, go to your web browser and open app.smartsheet.com and log in to your Smartsheet account. Once inside, I'm going to start a new project from the main dashboard by clicking right here. And then, we're going to scroll down and click on Grid. From here, let us set up our quiz or questionnaire. Simply change the column titles. Let's say this would be question 1. And for the next column would be our answer. And then change the column type to a drop-down list where they can choose what answers will they put in. Then column 3 would be question 2. And then this would be an answer column again. Once you're done with that, simply click on Forms on the upper panel and then click on Create Form. And as you can see, you now have a base form for your quiz with a question and the answer right here. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!